Here's a recipe to make vegan enchiladas. Ingredients: 12 corn tortillas, 1 can of black beans, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 green bell pepper, diced, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 cups of enchilada sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 avocado, diced, optional, fresh cilantro, chopped, optional. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a pan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the onions, garlic, and bell peppers, and cook for about 5 minutes or until the vegetables are softened. Drain and rinse the black beans, and add them to the pan. Season with chili powder, cumin, salt, and pepper. Mix well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Pour ½ cup of the enchilada sauce into the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Warm up the tortillas by wrapping them in a damp paper towel and microwaving for 30 seconds or by heating them up in a dry pan over medium heat for 10 to 15 seconds on each side. Place about 1/4 cup of the vegetable and bean mixture onto each tortilla and roll tightly. Place the rolled tortillas seam side down in the baking dish. Pour the remaining enchilada sauce over the top of the rolled tortillas. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 20 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the enchiladas are heated through and the sauce is bubbly. Remove from the oven and let the enchiladas cool for a few minutes. Top with diced avocado and chopped cilantro, optional. Serve and enjoy your delicious vegan enchiladas. Note: you can also add vegan cheese on top of the enchiladas before baking if you like.